2017 Toyota 4runner. I'm gonna check out the cabin filter in this car. I'm over here to the glove box, and there's a little doorway right here where the cabin filter hides. All you gotta do is press these little tabs down, door open. Okay, and there's another little door. This is where the cabin air filter actually lives. You just press these little tabs inward. Okay, take that off, and there's the cabin filter right there. And this 4runner has some pretty low miles, so I don't expect this to be too dirty. Okay, but it's actually pretty dirty. I need to order one of these. It's pretty dirty up in there. If you need to order one, I'll leave a link down in the description box to where I got mine at. So do some of that work for you, and you can get one of those there. I can get them at a pretty cheap price. So check out that link. When you get your new one, all you gotta do is cram it back in there and get the door, snap it back on. Same thing with this one. Go ahead and order me that filter, and I'm gonna end up replacing it later. And that's it. That's pretty much how you replace the cabin filter in a 2017 Toyota 4runner. If this was useful, do me a favor and leave me a comment, or hit that thumbs up button for me.